welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about the overall crypto market, take a look at Crocoin because we've been having some big moves to the upside, give a little bit of my price prediction on it, and I want to kind of just tell you where I think we're headed with Crocoin and the overall market. So right now, we are at 8,620 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe right now. Let's hop in this video. So right now, guys, we are consolidating to the upside. Very nice to see. Bitcoin dominance still coming up close to 47%. Would like to see us reach that higher threshold of the 49 to 50% leading into the Bitcoin halving. However, right now, this is healthy. I'm happy to see where we're at right now. And, honestly, I kind of think we're going to have a bigger move to the upside. And we'll probably head towards the $30,000, $32,000 price range on Bitcoin in this next upcoming week, just because of what is going on with all these banks collapsing and the narrative about, well, quite frankly, Bitcoin was created to protect from banks collapsing. So, I really think that we'll probably see a flow of money into the crypto space, but Bitcoin more specifically for a short-term time frame. But let's take a look at Crocoin because, guys, we did have a beautiful bounce off the 0.0689 cent level, trading at nearly 8 cents. We did reach 8 cents. We did reach 8 cents on crypto.com Crocoin, but we are consolidating back down right here. Still a very healthy move from our once so-called pegged price level of the 0.0689 cents, and now we are up about 14.74% from that price level, which is very nice to see. If you've been buying since the whole FTX collapse, give yourself a pat on the back because now you have made significant gains. If you've been buying from the bottom of 5.5 cents, well, that is a beautiful 40.5% gain. So very nice. And pat yourself on the back if you've been accumulating, guys, right now, because this is still accumulation zone. I will say that we could probably potentially come back down to this level, especially sell in May, walk away is a thing. We'll have to see around May 5th to see what kind of price action we get. But that being said, I really do believe that right now we are going to be consolidating to the upside. I do think that there is a chance, like I said, that we come down when May comes around, but we'll really have to see how the traditional market acts. Let's talk about the traditional market because the S&P 500 has bounced where I thought we were going to kind of come down. This is kind of a fake out here. I really thought we were going to start to move our way down. I said that there was a chance for invalidation, and we did get that invalidation, which is very good in my opinion. However, I do want to see some daily candle closes above $4,200 on the S&P 500 for me to really kind of take a step back and say, okay, I think that the party's back on, so to speak. But as of right now, we're still kind of in no man's land when it comes to if we're going to make new all-time highs or make new lows. So very interesting of a situation that we're in, and a lot of it is pegged on what the Federal Reserve has to say. So over on Bitcoin, guys, we are doing very well. This is the daily time frame, and right now we're above the $28,200 price level, which is a very key level in my opinion. And like I said, I would not be surprised if come Monday we make some moves to this upside of the $32,000 price range. Maybe even not even Monday. Maybe this weekend. Weekend price action can be pretty funky. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a big move up here, a big wick, and kind of came back down. But there's lots of things that could happen. But we are definitely getting to an area here where I wouldn't want to say it's a make or break moment for Bitcoin, but I would say that we came close on the higher term time frame when we broke below 28,200. I really did think that we were going to be headed towards 25,000 unless we got that invalidation, and well, we got the invalidation. So now the game is back on for reaching 32,700 ish. So we will have to see what happens with that. But let's take a look at Crocoin because what does that mean for Crocoin? I really do believe that there's a easy chance that we 10x from here. I really think that is a high possibility. And we talk about these 50x gains, 100x gains, and whatnot. But in reality, if you want me to be very conservative here, I do think that 10x is almost priced in. I don't want to say that. That's not financial advice, but I will say that I really do believe that a 70-cent Crocoin in this next bull run is kind of a given, really, especially if the leadership continues to do what they're doing, what they did in the previous bull run. And guys, like the marketing behind crypto.com, whenever the bull market comes around, they start to heavy-handedly market themselves. And we get a lot of new users. We get a lot of new users. And really, crypto.com is one of the only exchanges that is really pushing mass adoption. And I think when we talk about the new all-time high and the new next bull market, market cycle top, that's kind of going to be around a lot of interesting things. There's going to be a lot of things happening. We're going to have a 2024 election where I personally believe the way that it's kind of being positioned, that cryptocurrency is going to be a major, major talking point. We're going to be hearing about cryptocurrency on a daily basis by the government, by the mainstream media. There's going to be a lot of things happening. We also have the Federal Reserve just really, really struggling to get a wrap on inflation and not destroy the economy. And honestly, what's been happening is, well, we started to pump because they got in a position where they need to bail these banks out because they're raising these interest rates higher and higher and the banks can't sustain. So they have to bail them out. And when they bail them out, well, you guys know what happens. When they bail them out, Bitcoin runs. Bitcoin makes big moves, and that's kind of what we had happen here. Off the bottom of 15,500, we just started making these big moves up to $30,000 Bitcoin, guys. So I really do think that Crowcoin, 70 cents next bull market top is a given. I think that especially if they're doing what they're doing with the leadership team of Crypto.com is doing, and especially with all the talk of the crow burns, I think that you should be prepared for some very volatile price action to the upside. Not financial advice, but I put my money where my mouth is. I have a very large Crowcoin bag, and I'm going to continue to accumulate with my staking rewards. So that's all I have to say. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go down below this video, check the description out, become a member, or sign up to BitGet, get an $8,000 sign-up bonus. All you got to do is click the link, open a trade, deposit a little bit of money, and you can get up to $8,000. There's also with Femex where you do the same thing, get up to $4,500, and on Binance you get a $600 sign-up bonus. And also, if you want to become a member, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, and more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I. And also, you get access to these awesome custom emojis and loyalty badges that you can use during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.